Hello everyone, in today's episode I will make a simple Canadian regional dessert named Pouding Chomeur, in a literal translation meaning the unemployed man's pudding. For this recipe we will use the following ingredients: 8 grams baking powder, 190 grams all-purpose flour, 250 milliliters heavy cream, 250 milliliters maple syrup, 160 grams sugar, 200 grams butter, and 5 milliliters vanilla extract with 1 teaspoon salt and 4 eggs. We will begin this recipe by whisking the eggs together with salt and vanilla extract. Mix sugar together with the butter using a hand mixer or whisking by hand until well incorporated. My butter was too cold and I struggled a bit to mix it with sugar, so use soft butter at room temperature to make it easier. For the next step, add half of the egg mixture over butter and mix it together until it's incorporated. Now add the rest of the egg mixture over and mix together. The texture might look lumpy and separated, but don't worry, this won't affect our final result at all. Add baking powder and mix. For the next step, add half of the flour and mix well. When done, add the rest of the flour and mix until you obtain a thick and smooth paste. Now take a baking form and pour the dough in, then use a spatula to even it out and fill the air bubbles formed beneath. For the next step, take a small pot and add maple syrup together with heavy cream and whisk frequently until it begins to bubble, then set it aside. Now you can add 2/3 of the maple syrup mixture over the dough and put it in a preheated oven at 200 degrees Celsius for about 25 to 30 minutes. Use a toothpick to check if the dough has baked enough. Remember that this type of dough should be moist because it will absorb all the maple mixture. When finished, this tasty dessert should have a buttery caramelized aroma and a soft texture. Slice it and pour some of the remaining syrup over, serving it together with some fruits. This is an excellent dessert that can be baked very fast and with simple ingredients. It also tastes amazing with coffee or tea, so feel free to test it when you have limited time and want something sweet. Till next time.